Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. When I'm outside in the winter, the very first thing to get cold are my hands. These heated glove liners though from Taileluo have been a game changer. These are amazing. These are rechargeable. A battery goes in each cuff. There's 3 different heat settings, and I cannot believe how well they work. What I really love about these, aside from the obvious, they keep my hands warm, is that these are thin liners. So you can wear them alone if you like, but I even wore them when I was out sledding, and I would just wear my waterproof gloves over top. I was out for probably 45 minutes. My hands did not get cold at all, which is amazing. That's never ever happened before. I love that these have the touch screen function on your fingertips. These heat up really quickly in a matter of seconds, I would say. You'll notice the heat will radiate through the back of your hand and your fingertips. You simply hold the button down for 3 seconds to turn it off and on, and then you'll tap quickly to change the different heat settings. These are fleece lined, they're really comfortable. One thing I wasn't sure about, I didn't know if the weight of the battery would bother me when I was wearing them, but it doesn't. I don't even notice it. It just feels like a regular glove. I've always had poor circulation, so these have proved to be so beneficial for me to be able to go outside and not feel like my hands are gonna fall off because they're so cold. It's pretty amazing. And that's my point of view.